So, dili pa kayo ko mutuo ato kay maybe they can just handle it or possible na it could be a fake news. I don't know, wala ko kay baw but somehow sa akong heart gikan man sa government official man ko siya ingon sa amo medyo kulbaan na gid ko kay pila ng good news ko Ginoo ko. Pila rami ato dito 10 to 15 people di pa gid ni legally educated. Ana good, what do we do? Unya after ato kay we got a call from Ma'am Kitty, no? Dito ako pagkakita pa lang nako sa naong ni Ma'am Kitty, tupad na ko si Ma'am Janice. Kasi si Ma'am Janice maputi ang kasturya na, ko siyang tupad. That time, I was so scared already. Kanang, this is something serious. Kanang, yun basta-basta. Basta ang ma-remember na ko, what Kitty told us during that time was she was safe. Nakagawas na siya sa balay nila. She is safe. Na siya sulod sa sakyanan. And the houses, katong isa ka house, ug diri, will be searched. During that time, wala na ko kabalo sa akong bation, to be honest. Because I knew Kitty was asking for help. Kaya ma-feel na ko ang iyahang tingog, bitaw. I can feel her voice na she was scared and she was worried. But I saw strength in Kitty. That's why I think the last na akong giingon good kay Kitty during that time, Kitty, I got you. Ningon ko sa iyaha. But, you know, kung kahibaw nga no po ko nakaingon I got you, nakinsa man ko, anak good, ano. But, you know, speaking from somebody na I just really wanted to represent the Boeños na dili mag-uol, kidaghan ni mga agila, mulupad for her. And then, it was scary na gido, nagpadayon na siya mas scary kay gamay lang man niya ato that time, itagaan mi og pito. Kani, kay gamay lang mi. We were told na kung unsa man daw ang mahitabo, pito rami. So during that time, wa na ko kahibaw sa akong bation because like I said, I'm just an ordinary Davaoeño ba supporting PRRD. But you know, during that time, ningon ko na regardless if naay mo tan-aw sa akong live or wala, I will go live. So ni-live ko and I did not know na halos tibuok Davaoeño na mata pa na may nangadtugid sila tanan diri and they were thanking me na thank you for your live, thank you for standing up, thank you sa tanan. And I feel like kailangan dito na ko buhaton. Isa lang pud akong na-realize no one thing that I have learned, when an eagle cry, all other eagles will fly. So di ko mag-uol because we were told na 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock or any time by now na aday mo abot. I'm no longer afraid because I have my Davaoeños with us and I have Tatay Digong spirit with me.
Kasi nang gi-mention na mo abot?
There will be people arriving, mo search sa balay.
Okay.
Yes. Mo
Okay,
search.
na ba siya yung specification isa nga mga individuals or agencies sa government?
Ano ba ang sabi kanina? Ano yun? CIDG, ano ito? Sa
90 ka staff, 30 ka check.
yun yung atang pinost ni Congressman Paolo Duterte. Parang nagpost ata siya kung sino-sino ang mga darating. But I cannot tell you as of the moment kung kinsa gid sila mo abot kay basin mainlan tag fake news. But you know, coming from that, we should be expecting, mora ko maingon, we should be expecting people arriving, no, na mo search sa balay ni tatay. So we were also told, na brief naman po me earlier, na as much as possible, kung maabtan pa nako siya, maabtan pa namo sila din ni karon na moabot ug mapulihan sa mga moabot karon, and we just try to stay calm. Pangutano namo, i-check man daw nila attorney, nila kapitan, ang mga legal documents is a basis sa search. And if we can ask for individuals nga parihan namo nga mag-go live, no, to accompany para i-ensure lang gyud na limpyo ilang pag-search, no, walay pandaot ug walay hugaw na ilang buhaton. Because as we all know, election is up and coming. I'm pretty much sure kung kinsa man na ang naada na up above, they want a really dirty game. So, hopefully, matagaan pag-chance no na makasuod ta, maka-live ta, matanawan nato ang sa ilahang buhaton sa search na ilang ginaingon.
With the situation right now, unsay plano nimo sir until when ka magpabilin sa pagbantay sa mga?
Hanggat kaya, 24 hours na walay tulog, hanggat makita na ako mga kaigsuunan diri, no? Because kabalo ka makalipay ba that I see Moros, Muslims, INC, Christians, Catholics rallying here it means that, you know, PRRD is a good person. PRRD is a good president. PRRD is a good leader. And hantod sa naa ako mga igsuon diri magpabilin ko, and I will use my platform and my voice to ensure that everybody is empowered and everybody is energized ba yun na magulat ni hantod sa muabot ba sila o dili.
So, since kagabi pa kadiri so no nabay
5:30, yes.
Okay, unsa na observe ninyo nabay mga
Actually, yes, we saw drones flying. Di ko ka ingon of how many, no? But to my best na kung siguro mabana-bana, no? Mga 2 or 2 to 3. I saw flying, flash. Nangutanag ito sa kung kauban, ano yung flash karon ang mga drones? Kaya magkukahibawaan na. But yes, we saw nagalupad-lupad din eh. Wala po di ko confirm if it was somebody from the other side or our side. Basta naa.
Okay. So, last from my end is alert always.
Yes.
Ang ating mga supporters.
Grabe. Up until now, dili man sa to brag about, no? Kanang, this is not something to brag about, but I'm proud, no, nga I am receiving a lot of messages all over the world, Filipinos all over the world, mapabisaya man, mapatagalog man, and I can sense ba na as of now karon ga live sad ko because this is what I promised, no, mo live ko para sa mga tao. They are still with us, so I don't feel alone. So alert kita.
By the way,
Yes sir, message na lang sa tanang supporters sa sitwasyon ko lang.
Daghan salamat first. Daghan salamat. Unat sa tanan, no, gusto ko mag-send a message kay Kitty. Ma'am Kitty, I kept my promise. Dili mag-uol. When you said call for help, I did my part. We did our part, and we will continue to do our part. I also wanted to thank all of the Davaoenos, no, na in behalf na nagdigugma sa tuwang presidente, no, na nakadini until now. Gutuman, puyat man, uhaw man, you stand your ground, naamo diri with us. Nagdagahan, kaayong salamat. Unta, wala ta mo na mata, wala ta mo na samok, no? Ganyan na sa akong pag-live. But thank you kaayo sa mga niduol ng ingon na nakamata mi because you needed help. And mo to something that I will ever eternally be grateful, no? And kabalo ko makabalo si Tatay Ani na ang iyahang mga anak diri sa Davao City kay nitindog para niyo.
masusun lang po para kung FTRD na still na pa sa dahil.
Tayo di mag-uol, nami diri. Di mag-uol.
Sir, resident ka din ba, sir?
Davao City yun. Thank you,
Si
sir.
Sir, ganun si Sir
Paulo Lino Tebo.
Paulo Lino.
Thank you, Pai. Okay.
So, nakita nyo ano yung reaction ng mga tao.
Barangay to?
Oh, barangay pa lang yan ha.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Reaction ng mga tao ha, barangay pa lang.
Oh my gosh. Okay, mga guys, balik ho tayo sa pagla-live. Kausapin ko muna ho si Vice, no? Ayaw mo. Ano ba yan? Natatakot na sila lahat. Walang matakot. Huwag kayo matakot. Nobody should be scared. Barangay.
Prito po, kaya nagprito man sila.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. I just want to make this clear, no, na, you know, there has been video circulating that I said na na-raid na I did not say anything that. As a matter of fact, I'm asking people, no, to be here. A call for volunteers. Grabe. So people are still waiting, no. Nag-aantay pa rin kami as of the moment 4:37 in the morning. We were told it's gonna be around 4 hanggang 5 or 5 onwards. We do not know, but hopefully wala. Pero hindi ko alam. More on mixed emotions kami lahat ngayon today sa bahay ni Tatay Digong. We do not know what to feel as of the moment. To be honest, we do not know what to feel. Nagjo-joke na lang kami. Some are praying, some are sitting down. Some are just basically waiting. Madami naman tao, so nothing to worry. Merong mga nasa likod, meron din dito sa front, meron din sa mga different houses as of the moment.
So holiday ngayon, holiday ngayon, so maraming
Ano ang,
na to.
what are you expecting today?
Unta daghang kay mga supporter ni Tatay Digong nga moanhi, especially May 1, Labor Day. Basta positive na ay daw moabot, pero unverified report lang gihapon.
Kabalo guys, makulbaan nami every time na naay mo abot. So, as of now, a little, kamusta na mo diha? So far, okay pa naman. People are naka-alert kanang, although naasa na dito, I hope masabayan mi ninyo, no? Okay pa naman mi. So, we stand our ground. Okay ra gihapon.